Do y'all hear anything or is it quiet? Um, Other than cars passing by. Like the first 15 seconds. Um, Damn, now that I'm trying to record now, it was no cars. Now that I'm trying to record now, it's all these freaking cars. I was trying to show y'all, um, the moment I try to lay down and go to sleep, the, I start to sound like I hear somebody, like, loud music, but not really. But whatever loud noise associated with vibrating. And I've been feeling vibrating for like over 20 minutes. I'm sick and tired of this nightly torture. I mean, imagine your whole entire. It's violent. The vibrating is violent tonight. Yeah, like right about now. Can you hear something? Yeah, the moment I start to try to go to sleep, and I'm tired. I am sleepy tonight. And the when I put my earphones in, the vibrating hurts. I mean, well, it doesn't hurt, but the torture feels more intense. It's worse.